Hello mga guys, tayo ngayon ay night 2 na sa The Baby in Yellow gameplay natin. Kaya, yan na. Okay, nandito na tayo sa laro. At, oy, Bibi Kalbo, anong pinapanood mo? Ba't ka nakangiti? Bold pinapanood mo, no? Okay, hindi pala ano ang kanyang pinapanood. Pinapanood niya The Adventures of the Very Scared Little Rabbit. Get Battle from the Bridge. Yan. Okay, sinasarduhan ako ng pinto. That's rude. Okay, yun yung chupon. Na may lamang gatas. That's baby. Ay. Oy. Ano na? Kada inom mo ba ng gatas sa tatay ka? Meron ka bang, anong tawag doon? Yung sa milk. Yung... diarrhea. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon. Ay. Gumalaw lang ba yung diaper? Ay nga pala, demonyo naman yung bata na to. Okay. Hoy, bumalik ka dito.
A few moments later.
Dito pumasok. Ay. Kaya ito muna explore. Ay. Okay na ang togan loko. Twin Suns and Strange Moons. Okay, may mga drawing dito ng pusa. What the? Nagiging ganun ba yung bata na yan? Okay.
A few moments later.
Mga pala. Oh, diaper mo. Tara na, matulog ka na. Ah, hell na. Na may sharingan siya. May sharingan. Tara na. May sharingan ka na. Ba't yun yan ang mukha mo? Yeet! Okay. The Prince and the Rabbit.
When the rabbit came to visit, the prince said time to play. But his big red eyes, they scared her, and she didn't want to stay. Quickly towards the exit, the tiny rabbit hopped. The prince ran right behind her and screamed she must be stopped.
Ano baga? Hoy, iba yung kulay niya. Iba yung kulay ng mata niya ah. Kakaiba na to. Okay, ano mission natin? Put the correct plushie. Rabbit yun na. Yan. 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 Oh, ngiti show.
Through dark corridors he chased her. Hop, hop, hop. A relentless, futile flight. Hop, hop, hop. Round and round inside the palace, in and out of space and sight. Hop, hop, hop. The prince, he couldn't catch her. His heart was filled with wrath. The rabbit slipped right out the door and vanished down the path. The prince cried out, "I need new friends. More, now, another." "I'll bring you some, don't worry now," replied his loving, caring mother.
W, ma'am. Tulog na ba yung bata? Okay, nagalutang yan. Watch TV on the sofa. Shadowin muna natin to. Ayan. Mas malinis. Ano ba? Iparelax nyo lang ang babysitter na to. Ilang tao ito? Basura. Natay. Toasty 4564. Ito yung Huh? Hello? Okay. Wait lang. I'm scared. Oh, hindi. Mag-watch na lang ako ng TV. Okay. Parang natapos na natin yung night 2 at tayo ngayon ay night 3 na. Sabi na eh.